Go, baby, go. Oh my gosh. You're almost 7 months. Next week you'll be 7 months, baby. This cell phone video shows the close encounter with the 18-foot great white. It happened 25 miles off the North Carolina coast. Oh, go get it. Over here, Austin. Over here. Austin, look. Austin. Austin. Right here. Good job, baby. Good job. Come on. He's such a big boy. Come on, baby. Let's go.
Dang, where are you going, Austin? Oh, you
Good job. Smile.